and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Siti Marzana Binti Marun and welcome to my video reflection for week 5, week 6 and week 7. In this video, I will be sharing what I have learned throughout these 3 weeks in our instructional technology class. Each week, we explore a different topic related to multimedia and education, including a print and non-projected media, computer-based learning, and then the last one is projected audio and visual. So, let's begin with week 5 first. In week 5, I learned about print and non-projected multimedia. These include printed material like books and poster, and non-electronic teaching like whiteboards and flip chart. And then we explore the advantages such as durability, portability, and accessibility, as well as disadvantages like limited flexibility and issues for students with impairments. And then I also learned about the 5 types of visual in poster, which is the first one is representational, second is mnemonic, third is rational, and fourth is transformational, and then the last one is interpretive. In class, we did a group activity where each group got a type of visual. My group got the title transformational, so we had to find a poster that shows step-by-step instructions like how to wash hand or makeup step. It was super fun. Besides that, we learned about infographic, which is CRAP design principle, and then color rules, which is 60, 30, and 10, which means 60% is your main color and 30% is your secondary color, and then the third is 10% is the accent color. Last but not least, I also learned about the ICT skill where relate to visual content creation. And then for our assignment, I create a poster titled A Benefit of Playing Chess. So next, as a teacher, I will apply these skills when designing teaching material in the future, especially educational posters and infographics. I now understand how to make content clear, attractive, and structured using designing principle and appropriate visual. So, moving on, what are the blockers in this topic? So, one of the challenges is creating visual that suit different learning needs and making sure the content is inclusive. Another challenge is balancing simplicity and completeness. Too much info can clutter a poster, but too little can make it unclear. So that's all for week 5. Alright, moving on to week 6, which focus on computer-based learning. I learned about computer-based learning, which is CBL. There are 2 types. The first one is standalone CBL, like CD-ROMs or USB programs, and then the second one is network CBL, like online platform. And then CBL helps make learning more flexible and engaging. It supports different learning styles and gives a student access to resources beyond the classroom. And then we also explore storyboards, which are visual planning tools for video production. It's like a comic version of a video, helping to visualize what will happen in each scene. So, as a future educator, I can use CBL tools to offer self-paced learning and engaging content. I will also apply a storyboarding when creating education videos to plan scene clearly before recording. Last but not least, what is the blockers? I think some students might not have access to device or stable internet, especially in rural areas. Also, designing interactive CBL content can be time-consuming if the right tools or skills are not available. So that's all for this week. Let's continue for week 7. Let's continue with week 7, where we explore about a projected audio and visual. I learned about audio literacy, which is the ability to understand and create audio content like podcasts, audiobook, and speeches. Also in class, we discussed the activity to improve student listening skills such as broken radio, Simon Says, musical chair, and then the taboo game, which we actually play in class, and I even did a funny drawing for it. And then we also explore a video literacy, which is to understand how video content works from storytelling to production elements like lighting and sound. And then we discussed about the advantage and disadvantage and how to integrate them into the classroom, like through flipped classroom. Then, as a future educator, one of the main blockers I foresee include the need for technology, which not all students may have access to proper device or stable internet connection. Plus, recording and editing quality videos requires time, digital skill, and then specific tools that not everyone might have, especially for those who are still learning how to use such platform effectively. To sum up, from week 5 to week 7, I have gained a deeper understanding of various multimedia tools that can enhance teaching and learning. From simple printed material to digital audio and video content, I have also realized that how important it is to design content that's not only engaging but also accessible to all students. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching my reflection video. I hope this journey will help me become a more creative and thoughtful educator in the future.